Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Since I mentioned padding, why don't we incorporate padding? Place a column into a new 3 rows by, well, we're saying 4 columns because we have an educated guess that we're only going to go out 4, but that number could be anything based on the size of your list. Working with this example, we're going to go 4-column list, which creates these zeros. Why? Well, because we extended our list to be 16, taking into account these blanks. If we do that, it's going to create a 0. As I pointed out earlier, if we modify this, change it to 14, this data is going to show an NA error. If we get rid of the padding, as I showed in the wrap calls, it's just a refresh. The only change, as I said, from wrap calls to wrap rows is the spelling, the layout. Otherwise, vector, the wrap count, and the pad is the same. Read it if you need it. Manipulate the array if so. Change up your list. Don't rely on my inputs. Change it up to whatever you're doing. I'm going to put this back to 16. You want X's? Then change it back to 14. What am I talking about? B5 to B14. Our list. I captured this entire list here, but if you want to see the NA errors and use the padding, then only input your actual array size to 14. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks.